And doesn't this help the president politically, or is he going to have to do more?
I think it's hard for them because what they like to do is put the genie back in the bottle. And they like not to talk about any of this at all, but they can't. It's out there. We know it's out there. And the American public doesn't trust its government. Okay, this is fine, but if we're going to approve a certain amount of Big Brotherism, if you will, you got to kind of show us why. Help us out here a little bit. And I believe actually that it's good to have General Alexander talk about